Well, hello there. Today I've got something truly exciting to share with you all. I'm going to show you an amazing programming tool that is going to help you write code 100x faster. This is a game changer. As a developer, I'm sure many of you don't want to waste your time on converting your Figma designs to code. Now, what if I told you you can generate a pretty good code that follows the best practices so that you can focus on building amazing features and functionality instead of wasting time on converting Figma designs to HTML and CSS. So without any delay, let's dive right in and see how this amazing tool works. Now in my browser, I'm simply going to type device. Yes, so that's the name of this tool, and I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see here, I'm going to get this first website, which is device.com. So you just come here and click the link, and as you can see here, the website says it's a developer productivity tool, right? So you can build React and Flutter apps at blazing fast speed, and that too without compromising on code quality and developer experience. So yeah, this is the landing page of their website, and as you can see that around 69,000 plus developers from world's leading companies uses device like Flipkart, TopTal, Google, Freshworks. You can see they have given the demo out here. So now I'm going to quickly log in into this website, and I'm going to show you the actual demo. Okay guys, so I've logged into the website, and as you can see, I've got three different options here. Like I can create the blank app, I can enter my own design here, or I can choose any template, or I can select a particular screen that I want. So if I click this create from select screen, so it is going to show me different options. Like I want to build my own screen, or I want CMS, some screens, or healthcare, or dashboard. So let me click this dashboard, and there you go, it is going to show me different dashboard screen that I can directly build. But I don't want to do this here, so I want to go back and go back a little bit more, and I want to select some template out here. So let me click this, select from the templates, and I want to come here, and this is a mobile template. I want the web. So you can see here you have the backend options as well. So here I'm going to select the web options, and there you go. So now it is giving me different options, and you can see I need to wait a little bit here. Now I'm going to select this listing map view options. I quite like this template, and now there you go, this template is open here. Now this is a Figma design, right? So I want to use this template and convert into a code. As you can see, this is a pretty good design. Now let us see whether this tool can convert into a real React code or not. So I'm going to use this template, and there you go, it is giving me some options here. So I want to make application name is Rajesh application, doesn't matter technology, it's React web app. So right now it has only one options, and it is giving us language options to select. So it is giving us JavaScript and TypeScript both. So for now I'm just going to select normal JavaScript, and now I can create the app. There you go, the process has started. Now it is soon going to create the app for us. So let us wait for a bit, and then let it generate the actual code for us. So alright guys, it seems like it has generated the code for me. Now let me click this let's start button out here, and let us see the magic here. So guys, this was the template that I have selected, and again it is showing me one more time. Now I just need to click this final button, which is going to say build app. So let me click this, and let us see the magic finally. And so there you go, it is giving me options again. So it's saying I want to build it without storybook or with storybook. So this time I'm going to select without storybook, and I'm going to use a CRA, which is a beginner friendly, they are saying, or I have different options as well. I can use to wait as well. So right, so let me use to wait this time, and then let me click this build button, and let's see the magic. Just there you go, now it starts generating the code for us. Now it's saying like it's generating boilerplate for project, and then it is going to identify some actions, and finally it is going to create React projects. Then it is going to generate the GSX. So this is the process this is following now, and there you can see it has already completed the 4 steps. Now 2 more to go, and then finally the project is going to be ready. And these are the things it is using. There you can see, you can read in the description, this application is built using wait, it is using tailwind css, okay, and it is generated in javascript, and it has given us prerequisite as well. And there you go, now it is giving us the options to view the code as well. And if I come here, okay, so it is redirecting me again, and there you go, here is the actual code, okay, and it is giving the code in the VS Code style as well. So here it is the entire readme, you can see, and we have this our public folder. Inside this assets, fonts are there, you can see all the images and stuffs are there. And I can come to the src, which is the source, and there you go, I can see all the components, models, pages and whatnot. So it is giving us pages and all those stuffs, right? So it is giving me the button component, there you go, right? So it is giving me pretty good button component, as you can see it is working out here. And now there is another Google Map component which I can open here, and as you can see it has generated all the code using React. Now it has the options to sync or download this code as well. So let me download this code quickly and show you in the VS Code. So okay guys, I've tried multiple times downloading this source code, but there is some issues right now in this website. It cannot download it properly. I don't know what's going on, but earlier I've tried this tool multiple times. I've converted the Figma screens to the React code and even downloaded as well into my local machine and brought into my VS Code, and I've run it and it works pretty well, you can count me on that. And as you can see, the code it has generated is also pretty neat and clean. It is using React and it is using your tailwind css, it is using the component pretty well, you can see. So this is the landing page code, you can see, so it is generating code pretty well. So I hope you like this tool and you are going to use this tool further into your projects, because it gives you multiple options. Let's just say you don't want to generate entire websites, right? Who is going to do that? I think nobody is going to do that. Everyone is going to generate small simple screens, and then they are going to integrate it by themselves. So for that also you have multiple options. Here you can come and you can do that as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you all with such amazing web development videos and next time.